Hey, so it's Wednesday. It's misting out here. Didn't do too great yesterday. Caught 4 fish, but I just started, and I think I just caught my biggest one of this season. In the lake patch, look at that guy! Holy crap! That's awesome. Oh, guy's huge. I can't even. There you go. Let's see how long he is. See if I can figure out how long he is here. See if I can get rough length here. He is about just over 16 inches long. And see if I can get away here. Let me get the hook out of here. I barely have a hook too. Let's see. Just a small clip of the lip there. Caught him in a little pool under under the trees here. Let's see if I can get a weight on him. Okay, zeroed out. Let's see what he's at. He's at. Looks like he's at about just a tick under 3 pounds. Biggest one that I caught this season. The biggest one I've caught in a while. So yeah, nice. Good start today.